Hey guys, I'm Nisa Homey and today I'm showing you how to make dairy-free tea and coffee with homemade almond milk. Ideal for those who has lactose intolerance or has dairy allergies. So without wasting much time, let's get started with the recipe. To make almond milk, I have already soaked about 15 almonds overnight. So this is overnight soaked almonds. Now the reason why you need to soak almonds is that the peel contains tannin which prevents nutrient inhibition. The skin or peel of the almonds does not digest easily, that is, it is hard to digest. So it's always ideal to soak almonds preferably overnight and then peel the skin and use for better nutrient absorption. If you regularly want to make almond milk at home, just remember to soak the almonds at night and the next day you can make almond milk in just 1 to 2 minutes. It's that easy, and when you make it at home, it's just almonds and water. So I'm going to peel the skin of the almonds. Once the almonds are soaked, it's very easy to peel the skin also. And you can see that the almonds has sprouted a little bit. So that is because of it being soaked for about 8 to 10 hours. So that means it will have more nutrients. Without the skin or peel, the nutrients will be absorbed into your body faster. So I'm peeling off the skin and adding it into another bowl. Once the almonds are soaked, it's very easy to peel the skin also. Almonds contains natural healthy fats, calcium, fiber, protein, magnesium and vitamin E. They help to keep you satiated and thus helps in weight loss and weight management. Almond milk is a good alternative to dairy milk, especially for those with dairy intolerances and allergies. You can use almond milk just as you would use dairy milk. Okay, I have peeled the almonds. Next, I'm going to add in some water and rinse it a couple of times. And once rinsed, I'm transferring it to my blender jar. Add the almonds into a blender jar. Add in 1 cup water. I'm using a high-speed 1300 watt blender. So it will just take about 35 to 40 seconds to blend the almonds. Now if you want to sweeten the almonds, you can add in a couple of soaked dates, and if you want to flavor the almonds, you can add in 1/3 teaspoon of vanilla extract. But today I'm just keeping it plain 100% all natural almond milk. So I'm going to blend this for about 35 to 40 seconds. Blending time will vary with the type of blender you are using. Okay, now the almond milk is nicely blended, so I'm going to transfer it to a bottle. And my 100% all natural almond milk is ready to use. You can use it right away or store it in the refrigerator and it will stay good for a couple of days. One more thing, when you keep it in the refrigerator, before using you may need to shake the bottle and then use. To make tea with almond milk, into a cup I am adding in 3/4 cup of almond milk. And I'm adding it into a saucepan. And on low heat, I'm slightly warming the almond milk. I'm not heating it up or boiling it, I'm just warming the almond milk. And once the milk is warmed, pour it back into the cup. Measure 1/3 cup of water and add it into the saucepan. And allow the water to come to a boil. While the water is coming to a boil, I'm crushing 2 cardamoms. Add the crushed cardamom into the water. And once the water boils, reduce the flame to the lowest. Add in tea as per your taste. Give it a swirl. And then turn off the flame. Pour the hot tea onto the almond milk, warmed up almond milk. To sweeten, I am using organic stone ground jaggery powder. You can use palm jaggery or coconut sugar instead. And give it a stir. Pour into another cup. And my masala chai made with almond milk is ready to serve. To make coffee with almond milk into a cup, I am measuring in 1 cup of water. Add the water into the saucepan. Turn on the flame and allow this to come to a boil. While the water is boiling, I am adding in organic coffee powder into a glass, or you can use a steel mug. And once the water boils, pour it into the cup. Give it a quick stir. Cover and allow the coffee to settle down. While the coffee is settling down, pour in almond milk as needed. And lightly warm the almond milk. Put the flame on medium-low. If you put it on high flame, the milk may sometimes curdle. So keep the flame on medium-low. And once the milk is warmed, turn off the flame. Just give it a stir so that the sediments of the coffee settles down. When you stir it on top portion. Don't put the spoon till the end of the cup. Now you can see that the coffee has become clear. Strain the coffee to another cup and pour the warmed almond milk into it. Add sweeteners of your choice. To sweeten the tea, I am using organic stone ground jaggery powder. Instead of jaggery powder, you can use palm sugar, unrefined cane sugar, or even coconut sugar. Adjust almond milk and coffee as per your taste. Pour into another cup and serve. And my coffee made with almond milk is ready to serve. So guys, do try these 2 methods to make coffee and tea with almond milk, and let me know how it turned out. Thank you for watching, and until next time, take care. Bye bye.